Alright, so I have this meal that I've prepared. It's considered a delicacy in the Philippines. It's kind of a raw beef. It's cooked in some stuff like onions, jalapenos, raw beef, and cilantro, and ginger, and a few other things, but it's right here. Raw beef. My cat's getting on my table. That's not cool. Anyway, there it is. Gonna give it a shot. It's really good. Wow. Apple cider vinegar, soy sauce, a little chewy, salt, pepper, things like that. Anyway, it's good. Supposed to let it sit for about 8 hours in the refrigerator cooking. But after about 2.5 hours, I had to give it a shot and try it. Thanks. See you next time.